Hi guys, it's the Reef Man here. Just another video. This is from Mexico, this one. It's been a while since I've uploaded a video. I've been in the midst of updating my computer. It's been ages since I've updated it, so I thought I would update it, give it a new lease of life. So I apologise for not uploading some new content and some YouTube videos. This here is a fish from Mexico. As many of you know, I went to Mexico in August. Got plenty of videos in the future that we can go through and see what we've got. So this is a lesser electric ray, found mainly in the coastal sort of areas of the Atlantic Ocean to the Caribbean Sea. They live in sandy areas, sandy muddy areas, mainly in shallow waters, but they can go depths of 55 metres. They do grow to about 20 inches in length, and then in width about 8 to 10. So they do get quite big, not too big, not massive. They actually have a tooth row, and in them rows of teeth, they have between 17 and 34 teeth in each jaw, which is quite a bit. It also depends on the size of the species itself. Like, it depends on the size of the actual specimen that we're looking at. So it depends on the size of the actual animal. These actual rays, they actually cause basically shocks that can shock you basically. They have two electric organs elongated along the shape of the body basically, so it runs from the eye socket all the way down on either side, and they can produce between 14 to 37 volts. So yeah, it definitely gives you a shock. The main reason why this is the case is they do use it for prey, so they can shock prey and then eat them up. The main things that they eat are like worms, juvenile snake eels, sea anemones, and small bony fish, and a various of crustaceans mainly. They are mainly nocturnal. This was probably videoed at about 6:30, 7 o'clock-ish, I think. So it's quite lucky to get this one. I don't think this is the only one I think I've seen the whole holiday. So I was quite happy to get this video. I actually do have another ray video in Mexico, and that's a different type of species. If you haven't seen that video, I definitely suggest you give it a watch. It's a good video. Yeah, so back to this species. They're mainly nocturnal, so they'll come out on the night foraging for food, and then on the morning they'll hide under the sand and stay motionless pretty much all day until the night comes. And they do this so they can stay away from predators. Main predators of these species of rays mainly sharks and other large fish, probably like a barracuda or something like that, something that's really big. The way these reproduce is called ovioviosis. Basically what it means is that they actually create an egg inside the female. It's not like the egg doesn't hatch in the ocean, so the eggs are actually they go through like a gestation period through the female. So what happens first is the embryos use the yolk, and then after so long the female excretes this liquid form from the uterine liner, and that'll feed the young, and then eventually the young will get to the point where they'll be old enough to hatch. Then the female will give birth to live young. The females themselves, they reach sexual maturity at about 2 years old, and they can have anywhere from 4 to 15 live young. So yeah, it's an interesting animal. Like I say, I only got one in the whole time I was there. But as I say, guys, more videos coming up. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.